Today's video is on the top 3 best mini metal detectors. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3. Best budget. Dmyond Metal Detector Pinpointer. Looking for treasure just got a whole lot easier. Whether you're a seasoned metal detector enthusiast or just starting, the Dmyond high-sensitive metal detector brings powerful performance in a simple, easy-to-use package. Let's break it down and see why this tool might just be your new favorite gadget. Let's start with what really sets this device apart. Its high sensitivity. Unlike bulky, hard-to-handle detectors, this one helps you cover large areas quickly and efficiently. But it doesn't stop there. Once it picks up a signal, it also helps you pinpoint the exact location of the metal object. This is a total game changer. No more random digging or frustrating false leads. You'll go from somewhere around here to right here in seconds. The long, slim, bar probe design lets you hold the detector comfortably in one hand, making your search much easier, especially in tight spaces like corners or inside walls. Operating it couldn't be simpler. It works with just a single button. Once it detects a metal object, a bright LED light turns on, and you'll hear a clear BB sound as an alert. The closer you get to the metal, the louder and more frequent the beeping becomes. This clever feature helps guide you right to the target. No guesswork, no extra digging. Worried about carrying it around? Don't be. This metal detector is super lightweight, only 1/3 the weight of most traditional detectors. That means less strain on your arm and more comfort during longer searches. It even comes with a flexible plastic belt, a protective sheath, and a carrying pouch. You can wear it on your belt or toss it in your bag without a second thought. And if you're the type who loses tools easily, this setup is designed to help you avoid that too. What about wet conditions? Good news. The needle pointer end is partially waterproof, which means you can dip it in shallow water or damp soil without worry. Checking in puddles, wet grass, or sandy shorelines? No problem. Just be careful not to get the switch or speaker wet. Those parts aren't waterproof. And yes, it's super versatile. Whether you're hunting for coins, jewelry, gold, silver, or even old relics, this tool is built for all kinds of treasure. It works in many settings, indoors, outdoors, in walls, sand, grass, or soil. It can even function in extreme temperatures ranging from -35 to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you're looking for a metal detector that's light, easy to use, and gets straight to the point, the Dmyond detector might just be the perfect match. It's built for hobbyists, beginners, and anyone who loves the excitement of uncovering hidden treasures. Smash that subscribe button like you just struck gold with your mini detector. Number 2. Best overall. Dr.Ötek Metal Detector Pinpointer. Looking for buried treasure without all the guesswork? This powerful handheld metal detector pinpointer might just be your new best friend. It's built to help you detect with accuracy, speed, and zero hassle, no matter where your adventure takes you. Let's start with its full range detection. This pinpointer features a detection range of 8 centimeters and a full 360-degree omnidirectional probe. What does that mean for you? It means no more missing hidden coins or rings just because you didn't hold them at the right angle. It's super sensitive and precise. Plus, it's got an IP68 waterproof rating. So whether you're exploring the seabed, checking riverbanks, or digging through wet sand at the beach, you're all set, and it doesn't stop there. This thing is tough. Military-grade durability means it's been built with impact-resistant materials that can take a beating. It's submersible up to 9.8 feet or 3 meters, so rain, water, or mud won't slow you down. You can dig and dive without worrying about your gear giving up on you. Another cool feature, exclusive interference cancellation. Ever been frustrated by those random beeps that lead you to nothing? This pinpointer uses advanced one-touch interference canceling tech to block out false signals. It focuses only on the real deal, helping you avoid all the unnecessary digging and disappointment. You'll also love the intuitive LCD screen. It's easy to read and shows you the signal strength so you can tell how close you are to your target. There are also 3 detection modes: vibration, audio, and both together. You can choose what works best for your surroundings, whether it's a noisy area or a quiet forest trail. Customizing your alerts makes the whole process smoother and more enjoyable. Despite all these features, the design is super compact and portable. The textured rubber handle gives you a firm grip, and it's so light you can slip it into your backpack or even your pocket. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned detectorist, this tool makes sure you're always ready to hunt. By the way, which of these mini metal detectors would you choose? Tell us in the comments. Number 1, our pick, Garrett Pro Pointer at Metal Detector. Ever wondered what treasures might be hiding beneath the waves or buried along a riverbank? With the right tool, you don't have to wonder. You can find out. Whether you're a weekend adventurer or a seasoned treasure hunter, having the right gear can make all the difference. And this handy detector, it's packed with features that make searching easier, smarter, and a whole lot more fun. Let's start with one of its standout features. It's fully waterproof, but not just splash-proof or water-resistant. It can be submerged up to 20 feet deep. That's perfect for people who love to explore the beach and riverbanks, or even go underwater treasure hunting. Imagine snorkeling through a shallow bay or exploring the edge of a lake and finding something shiny buried beneath the sand. You can take this detector right into the water without worrying about damage. That alone puts it in a league of its own. Now, let's talk about precision. The adjustable sensitivity is a real bonus. You got 3 levels to choose from, which helps a lot when you're looking for tiny objects like gold nuggets or thin pieces of metal. Instead of picking up every soda can in the area, you can fine-tune it to focus on what really matters. It's especially helpful if you're dealing with trashy ground or a spot where metal debris is common. Another handy feature is the fast retune option. Ever had trouble with mineralized soil throwing off your detector? With just a quick press, this tool instantly resets itself to ignore ground minerals and hone in on your target. It's great when you're jumping between different types of terrain, like moving from a sandy beach to muddy banks, without wasting time recalibrating every step. Even better, using this detector couldn't be easier. Everything is controlled with just one button. Seriously, powering it on, adjusting the sensitivity, retuning the settings, and even switching to stealth mode when you don't want any noise, all happen through one button. No complicated menus, no tiny switches, just press and go. It's simple and smart, perfect for both beginners and seasoned hobbyists. And here's something a lot of people overlook: the built-in ruler and lanyard loop. Right on the side of the detector, there's a molded ruler marked in both inches and centimeters. This lets you measure how deep your target is, which comes in super handy when you're digging. Plus, the lanyard loop makes it easy to attach the tool to your belt or gear bag so you won't lose it mid-hunt. So if you've been on the lookout for a tough, easy-to-use detector that works both on land and underwater, this one ticks all the boxes. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.